It's going. Hello guys, this is Dad. Say hi, Bubba.
Hi. This is my first time in the video and my dad's first time. We just started the video.
Yeah, it's our first time with the video. Today we're gonna be opening up some Pokemon cards, right?
Yeah.
So we got two Sword and Shield booster packs.
Booster packs and
Yeah.
stuff.
And we got two Darkness Ablaze. Let's see what we're gonna get today.
Yeah. Well,
You ready?
We already got something.
So let's start off with one of these.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you wanna tell them what we got last time?
Yeah. We got.
We got the Frostmoth.
Yeah, we got the golden card Frostmoth. That thing was amazing. That thing costs a lot, actually.
Alright guys, let's begin with this pack. Let's see what we get. Oh, it's so hard to open sometimes.
We opened these packs before, we're just doing it on the video. These packs aren't that good, it's just we're just starting.
Alright. Here.
You'll take that to use for your computer game. Nice.
Alright, let's see what we get. Dark Energy.
Nice.
A Bisharp.
I already have him.
Salazzle.
Salazzle. Pretty nice.
A Dugtrio.
A Dugtrio.
A Diglett.
A Diglett.
Oh, this one evolves to Dugtrio. Look.
Oh, yeah.
There's three of them now.
Yeah, there's three.
A Goldeen.
A Goldeen. Oh, I have his other form.
Roselia.
Roselia.
A Joltik.
A Joltik. That cute little.
A Silicobra.
A Silicobra.
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 A Reverse Wooloo.
A reverse Wooloo. Nice. Yeah. Pretty. It's cute also.
Alright, let's see what we get. And a non-hollow. But it's alright, we still got 3 packs left. Alright, let's set that to the side. Which one do you want to open up next?
Let's go with the other one.
Another Sword and Shield, the base?
Yeah,
alright.
the other one. After that, we'll go for the Charizard. Then we go for the last one.
I swear, I don't know how people open these so quick.
But still yesterday, the lucky getting the White Plaza. I have so many legendaries new to go.
Another Dark Energy. That's exactly how we started the other one.
Yeah.
Energy Retrieval.
Oh,
A Heatmore. Ooh, this one's cool. This is the one you like to catch on Pokemon Go. Pretty cool art too.
Oh, that's nice.
A Drizzle. Look at that guy.
Yeah, Drizzle.
Or is it Drizzile? I don't know. A Yamper. That's the Corky Pokemon, right?
Oh yeah, the Yamper.
A Grookey.
A Grookey.
Yeah, Grookey.
A Grookey.
A Kufant.
A Kufant.
Is a Steel Pokemon.
Oh yeah, he looks like a teapot.
A Baltoy.
A Baltoy.
A Chinchou.
A Chinchou. I dropped my toy.
A Reverse Cinderace. That's pretty cool.
A reverse Cinderace.
And for the rare, a non-hollow Noctowl. So we didn't get any good pulls for those two Sword and Shield packs.
Let's go for
But
this one.
we still got 2 more. Darkness Ablaze. You ready for it, Bubba? Which one? Charizard.
I'm saving
So the card people want to pull on this is VMAX Charizard, correct?
Yeah. The
Alright.
Darkness Ablaze, I'm keeping that one as last. It's actually cool.
These are both, Bubba. These are both Darkness Ablaze.
Oh, they're both? Well, they're still pretty cool. Oh, you're about to get 4. Nice. You're about to get 4.
Alright.
Let's see. Let's see what we get.
Water Energy.
Yeah, that's good. Water energy.
Little focus there real quick.
Let's see.
Spikemuth. Is that how you pronounce it? I'm pretty sure.
Spikemuth.
I don't know.
I don't know. Also.
Cape of Toughness.
Cape of Toughness.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. Vibrava.
Vibrava.
Dragon Pokemon. That's pretty cool. Ooh.
Yeah.
Look at that. I just barely moved it a little bit. It's something good.
Ooh, we might get our chances.
A Sinistea.
A Sinistea.
A Feebas.
A Feebas.
A Passimian.
A
Passimian? Passimian? Yes.
Passimian?
Yeah.
I already have one of them actually.
A little Fletchling.
A
Little cute birdie.
Yeah, he's a cute bird also.
A Wimpod. I actually like this Pokemon a lot.
Yeah, I have a
From Sun and Moon.
I have a Wimpod in his other form.
His evolved form.
Yeah.
Gastropod, I believe.
Yeah, Gastropod.
A reverse Cubchoo. Look at that little teddy bear.
Yeah, Lily would like him.
Alright, and then for the rare is a full art Kaboo. That's sick.
Nice.
Look at that. See how it looks.
Yeah.
It actually looks pretty good. Probably the edges on top. No. That's good. Alright, so we did come prepared. We actually got some sleeves.
And we also got the other things for really good cards that actually will prevent the cards from bending. Also,
Can you go turn it off?
it's someone's phone leaving.
Thank you. And we got top loaders too. See how much this card cost.
It turned off.
Perfect.
The phone turned off.
I'll pull it out later to check it out. Put that to the side.
Oh, it has the thing that prevents it.
Alright, the next one is the Last Darkness Ablaze pack. Let's see what we got.
The last. Let's not peek this time. We don't want the.
I didn't mean to, Bubba. It just moved a little bit. I saw the hollow.
Wow. I'm gonna look at this while you open the phone. Wow.
Alright, let's go.
That's an actual cool card.
Grass Energy.
Grass Energy.
A Simisear.
A Simisear. I never got one.
A Lunatone.
A Lunatone.
I never liked these ones. The Lunatone and then the other one, the Solrock. I never liked them. I don't know why. Next card is a Staravia.
Staravia.
This is actually really cool. Strong Pokemon 2 and Pokemon.
Yeah, they're strong.
A Grimer.
A Grimer.
A Clink.
A Clink.
A Ducklet.
A Ducklet. I have a shiny one.
A Mareep.
A Mareep.
A Paris.
A Paris.
Saying hi.
Hi.
A reverse Dunsparce.
A reverse Dunsparce.
And for the final rare, a non-hollow Galarian Mr. Rhyme. It's funny how they changed his whole name. Instead of Mime, it says Rhyme.
Wait, that's Mime's other form?
Yeah, Galarian form.
Oh, I never knew he has a form.
Oh, actually, I think he evolves from Mr. Mime. Yeah. So he's in evolved form. That's crazy.
Mr. Mime starts like that and turns into Mr. Mime?
Yeah.
Weird.
Alright, guys, that's it for today.
Bye.
We only got one good pull. But hopefully next time we'll get some better, more packs, see what we get. Catch you guys next time.
Goodbye. Catch you next time also.